How to change the language in After Effects. Hey there! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the language in After Effects. I'm using After Effects 2023, but don't worry, this works for any version. Right now, my After Effects is in English, but let's say you need to switch to another language. Here's what you do. First, close After Effects if it's open, then head to your computer and find your hard drive. Next, go to your library folder, then Application Support, and look for Adobe. Inside, you'll find an After Effects folder. Open it and choose the version you want to change. Inside that version folder, open the AMT folder, and you'll see a file called application.xml. Make a copy of this file and save it somewhere safe, just in case. Now, open that file in a text editor and look for the line that says Data Key Installed Languages. This is where you'll change the language. My After Effects is currently set to English, but I want to switch to Brazilian Portuguese. To do that, I'll replace an _GB with pt_br. Once you've made your change, save the file and replace the original application.xml file in the AMT folder with this new one. When you reopen After Effects, it should be updated with your new language. If you're not sure which languages are available, here's a quick way to check. Go to your Applications folder and find the version of After Effects you're using. Right-click on the application, select Show Package Contents, and look for the Dictionaries folder. Inside, you'll see all the available languages. Super simple, right? I hope this helps. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, a great life, and I'll see you in the next one.